Live proof. 3-click software generated us 174,021 visitors in 28 days. And damp. Make us over $1,000 a day without any skills or budget, spending just 10 min a week. Copy the same method shy, introvert and damp lazy newbies are using to make 5-figure per month in commissions. Limited time commercial license included. Price goes back to monthly recurring soon. Groundbreaking concept which brings unlimited traffic to any offer, page or link you want. Get 100% free traffic from absolute scratch. No need to be on camera, no voice, no complex video editing skills needed. Get traffic from YouTube as well as Google within hours. Be up and damp. Running in 5 minutes from now and start driving free traffic. Rank page number 1 and start getting traffic instantly with our secret video ranking cheat sheet. Works even if you have no experience, no tech skills. Unlimited potential, works in any niche, any offer. Low one-time price during launch period. Commercial license allowing you to resell these videos for high profits. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. But there is one solution that works like crazy. There is a brand new video method that shy, introvert and lazy people are using to generate millions of visitors every month, making $20 minus $100 km. How? YouTube? YouTube is the biggest traffic and income opportunity right now. The growth on YouTube is exponential, that is if you know how to tap into it. Fame, money, freedom. You can have all that, without Facebook ads, Google AdWords or any other paid traffic methods. People are making tens of thousands of dollars every single month by creating videos and sharing it on YouTube only. If you ever tried to generate free traffic from YouTube, you must have came across these problems. Problem number 1. Buy expensive gears. So, even to get started on YouTube, you need expensive gears, like a good camera, microphone, and video editing software that would cost you thousands of dollars. Problem number 2. You need to be on camera. This can be a major roadblock if you are shy or introverted. You feel uncomfortable. You are also afraid that people would judge or laugh at your videos. Problem number 3. Learn complex video editing skills. Most video editing software is too complex and difficult to learn, especially if you are a non-technical person like me. Problem number 4. Takes months before you see your first video getting any views. And to make things worse, you need to be consistent with uploading videos every day or week for months until you finally start seeing some results. But what if there was a much easier way? What if there was a way where you could create videos without having to spend money on gears, without having to be on camera, and without needing subscribers? There is a new wave of videos that are generating millions of visitors without all the usual hassles, without you doing anything at all. We're going to show you how you create traffic-getting, money-making videos in less than 5 min and start getting traffic even if you're just getting started. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online fast 2 to 4 weeks maximum.